Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes using self-raising flour. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and line a 12-cup tin with liners. Measure 2 cups self-raising flour, 1 cup sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup softened butter, and 1/2 cup milk. Cream butter and sugar first, then add eggs and vanilla. Fold in flour gently just until combined to avoid dense cupcakes. Start by creaming 1/2 cup softened butter with 1 cup sugar until light and airy, about 3 minutes with a mixer. Add 2 large eggs one at a time, mixing briefly after each addition, then stir in 1 teaspoon vanilla. Alternate folding in 2 cups self-raising flour with 1/2 cup milk in 3 additions, mixing just until combined to keep the batter tender and avoid overworking the flour. Fill each liner about 2/3 full so cupcakes have room to rise evenly without overflowing. Bake at 350 degrees F for approximately 16 to 20 minutes, checking with a skewer until it comes out clean or with a few moist crumbs. Let cupcakes cool in the tin for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting to prevent melting and ensure a neat finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.